So we just started driving around Ubay. 30-minute ride, and we came across this nursery, but it's closed. So I'm definitely coming back. But look at the mountains in the back. Look at those mountains. That's a postcard. But this place is nice. It's got a lot of bougainvilleas, which I'm probably going to get. Some of those Japanese grass looking things over there. And there's cacao. Call her up. Say ayo. They even have, look at this. Definitely have to go home with that. It's a mature eggplant. It's healthy. It's got fruits. See the fruit down there? See the fruit? And definitely have to get all of that. Variegated calamansi. It's hard to find. These plants look like bonsai, so I'm going to buy some. And it's not that expensive. That's a nice bougainvillea. It looks like a bonsai almost. Going home with that. This is called red ficus. And they got little tamarind that I can make into bonsai also. They got peppers that are mature for sale. A lot of bougainvilleas. Kind of nice. See what happens when you explore? You just find good stuff. Look at that. Even that piece of wood. This is what I'm talking about. These plants. They're inexpensive, but they look like little bonsais. See? Especially that one. Nice. Oh, I like those. Found my place. I have that plant in Florida, that yellow one. That one. They got nice tea plants too. They're all for sale. See, they're all in pots. These tea plants look like got damaged a little bit in the typhoon, but it's coming back. We found a place to buy plants. A lot.
I think they're cheap.
And we can put it in the back of a pickup truck. Oh yeah. yeah, we just came from the plant store, and I bought the farm. Check it out. Look at that. This is just the beginning, guys. Look at that. My wife wanted that eggplant, so we got it. Tricolor, bonsai desert rose. We got some black emerald. This I like. Variegated calamansi, lemoncito. It's got little fruits already. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of that. See? I don't know what this is called, but I like it for landscaping. Those are nice. Score! Okay, I gotta take these plants home. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I don't have a house yet.